Hello, best friend. Good morning. Nagising ko lang. Um, I want to dedicate a song for you. And this song is galing talaga sa puso ko. Bilang pasasalamat sa lahat ng mga binigay mo sa akin. Sa lahat ng mga hindi naman sa binigay. Sa lahat ng mga sa lahat ng kapaitan. For sharing your life with me. At being your best friend. Alam ko na napaka-importanteng bagay ka para sa akin dahil isa ka na parte ng buhay ko. And I want to dedicate a song for you, and this song will be my theme song for you. It's One Friend. I always thought you were the best. I guess I always will. I always felt that we were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard one, but we always saw it through. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Sometimes the world was on our side, sometimes it wasn't fair. Sometimes it gave a helping hand, sometimes we didn't care. But when we were together, it made a dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Someone who understands me and know me inside out, and help keep me together, and believe without a doubt that I could move a mountain. Someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Ayan, thank you. Ayun, pangit ang voice ko. Sorry ba. And then, next, gawin ko is, I want to say sorry for sa hindi pag-greet sa'yo sa birthday mo. Hindi mo naman kasi sinabi. At alam ko na mistaken para sa akin kasi parang failure na sa akin kasi hindi ko naman lang nag-greet yung isa sa importanteng tao sa buhay ko. Hopefully sana mapatawad mo ako. Kumbaga parang ikaw yung nag-birthday, tapos ikaw pa yung nag-greet sa akin. Ikaw pa yung nagbigay ng gift sa akin, which is baliktad. Thankful ako doon. Pero sorry naman ako. Kasi wala man lang ako nibigay sa'yo. Pero sana magustuhan mo itong video na to. Dedicated talaga ito para sa'yo, best friend. Mr. Christopher Roque. Salamat sa damit. Ang ganda. I really appreciate it. Pati mga kasamahan ko na gusto nga nilang raburin. Pero hindi pwede. Sa akin talaga yun. Sorry talaga. And then, basta thank you. Wala na akong masabi. And I love you so much, best friend. Ikaw na talagang best friend ko. Wala nang iba. Ikaw na, the best guy. Thank you. Bye.